Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video I will install Windows in HP Probook 45000 laptop. Setting boot menu first. For that, first of all I insert bootable pen drive in your laptop. I insert bootable pen drive and press F9 for boot menu. Here you see three options. First Windows and second bootable pen drive. I press bootable pen drive and second option enter, and Windows install process is running. Next, install now. I don't have CD key. Here you select your Windows version. Next, check mark and next, and install. If you face crucial error in your hard disk, you delete all partition. Before that you back up your data, and after that you resize your C drive, and I will create partition after Windows installation. Now format C drive and install Windows. For that, next, and will install automatically. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please subscribe my channel for future video.